Toxic. Oh my god. This is so awkward. But basically, yeah. Hi guys. It's been a while. It's been a minute. Yes, I know. So, I'm starting a vlog today. And that's gonna be a today vlog only because yeah, this is just gonna be a today vlog. Because I'm not doing anything during the week now. I'm really boring. So yeah, so for today's video, I'm literally just going out with my friends, and I thought I might just bring you guys with me and yeah, just chill with us and what's the sala. So I mean, I was supposed to edit a video to post today, so today is the 12th, but what happened was my SD card doesn't want to like transfer my videos to my computer because my computer can't read it, but my camera can and my phone can. But the problem is I have no space on my phone. I'm looking for my phone right now, I know, but like I'm using my it's such a setup what I have right now. So yeah, so now I'm really stuck because I spent like 3 hours doing that, and then it was 3, and then I started editing, but then it's like I see such a gap, like, you know what I mean? And I'm just like, yeah, this is not happening. On top of that, I have to get ready. Yeah, this is not happening. So see you guys on Sunday, and then this will be the Wednesday. So yeah, so you guys see what I went through. So I'll see you guys. I wanted to film while I was doing my makeup, but now that I can't use my camera, it's not gonna happen. So I'll just show you guys when my makeup is done, okay? I finished doing my makeup and I'm late AF. So I don't really like my hair today. Like, it looks like a wig compared to the last 2 days that I've been wearing this. Yeah, so I'll see you guys when I'm at the restaurant, just because right now it's kind of awkward, you know? Oh my god, this looks like a wig. But I'm still cute, yo. Can't tell me nothing. Ooh, oh shit. My face looks good. Oh my god. Oh mon dieu. So, I'll talk to you guys when I'm in the restaurant. I don't know why I keep looking at the people because I think I look good. So yeah. So let's do this. Yo, look at them. Wait. Are you going to focus? Because I know you don't like me. Look at them. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi. Hello, vlog.
Great. I think we're set.
No way. You think I want a pizza? I'm like, what pizza do you want?
Wait, before the tea, we have a little bit of vlogging to do because we don't want the world to know about our tea.
We don't want the world to know about our tea.
No.
No way.
No.
Say hi.
Hi.
Birthday, baby. It's quarantine birthday. You already know what it is. Team Cancer. You already know. Aren't you Gemini?
I'm a Gemini.
Okay, we cousins, so it's all good, baby.
Toxic.
Very toxic. It's actually so true.
We're actually all toxic.
We're like lovable toxic people. Like you hate to love us.
You know, one thing that you don't know, like, they're gonna have to take a lot of pictures of me.
So what are you talking about?
A lot of pictures of me.
Yes. Why?
Oh, it's my job.
Yes. Yes. I'm with it all. I'm with everything. I'm with it all. Yes.
So what I even get paid for? Oh my god.
I don't know what I want. $1 or $2, like, I got that.
Come on, $1 or $2?
Is this black owned business? No. Unless it is, you can get my money. Until then, I will sit my ass here because I pay taxes. No, not today. Not today. Not right now. Not today. We're not offering Karens here, okay? You know Yo, I'm telling you, look at the nails. Like, everything was just so perfect. You think I was gonna more? Look at these. Excuse me. Hey, look at them. Look at them. Look at these. Like, look at these. They look good. Look, where's my diamond? Let me hold it. Like, let me hold the cup. Yo, look at that. Look at my grabbers. Look at that. And then this bitch wanted me to waste that on her. Hey.
At least the sandal. The sandal's not that important. Only the feet.
I got it on sale. Originally it was for $35.99. I got it for $5.99. Don't fuck with me. So I'm gonna get my hands dirty.
Okay, you want nachos or chicken wings?
I think I want wings.
Wings?
Yeah.
Which sauce?
Ooh, I think I'm going.
We're trying to make up our mind.
Absolutely. Do you have any questions?
Question what?
Your
The wings. How many wings?
Really? So
Yeah.
How many?
Tons of wings. They're roughly about 8 pounds. A lot of different sauces, and there's also Korean chicken bites.
What is 8 pounds?
8 pounds?
I think that's
Chicken
right.
wings?
I think that's right, but I might be wrong.
I mean, if you're right,
It's
8 pounds is a lot.
that's great.
That's a lot.
I'm pretty sure that's what I
That's a lot, but that's great. Hello, listen.
See, I am still training, so I'm still getting it.
Okay.
Yeah. Just bear with me. I'll confirm with her, but I believe that's what they said.
Alrighty.
You got fucking played. Look at yourself.
Alright, so we're still here. Oh my gosh, we're such jokes, man. So we just ordered our pizza. I know we're eating a lot tonight. Allow us.
Yes, sir.
No, but I like the sauce. We're keeping it.
Bye.
No, I'm not done. So we're gonna take pictures. You guys are gonna have to go back to yeah. To the dark. And yeah, so I'll pick you guys up whenever we get our pizza. A pizza? A pizza. Hi Sam. Hi Sam.
What's up, baby? Yes.
Part 2. What you know about it? Look at that.
You know what? All that.
Oh.
We don't know about all that. I said, bitch,
Yeah.
where? I said, all that makeup. I said, bitch, where?
You really can't take my friends nowhere.
And that's how we your friends.
So we just finished eating.
We are gonna get right.
No, I'm telling you, we should have just gotten one pizza. There was no catfish
I
yet,
know,
too.
man. That one shit.
Hey, listen. We gonna finish it.
Yeah.
No, mama, they already know. So
Life
we
is
gonna
short.
finish it.
Yeah, finish it like tomorrow.
All right, so now we're on our way to our local
Yeah, we better get out and they're gonna kick us out.
We out here.
because here it's already closed, you know, and we're like the last ones to leave, like always. So yeah, we're always the last ones to leave. Always.
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 Like, can't take us nowhere for real.
You really
I
can.
paid. I paid. That's enough.
Pay for what?
We paid for food.
Okay, so that's not good enough. They let
So I'm still trying to figure out this gimbal thing. It's actually so hard. What the heck? Like, follow me. Follow me. Okay, go down. Okay. So we're trying to take more pictures. That's what we're doing. Where should we take our pictures? Oh my gosh. Yeah. So now we're about to take pictures. I'm gonna let you guys be there, and then we're just gonna do this whole picture thing. Stop touching my butt. I was like, what the heck? I thought
Stuff, we're taking pictures. Gotta make sure the whole night is No, I'm on that camera. Wait, you go quickly like this.
I'll get back to you guys, okay? Alright, so you guys, I just got home.
Yes, they got it home. So let me add Kessie, Salopez.
I just stopped, like, I don't know, I just stopped vlogging. I just got so tired of turning on my camera. I'm such a bad vlogger, like, for real, for real. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You found it entertaining, and you saw how crazy my friends are. actually how crazy Meg is, because Kessie is more posy, but Meg, you can't take her nowhere.
Nowhere.
So yeah, so I have them on the phone right now with me. So do you guys want to say bye to my vlog? This is your time.
Yes, bye. Bye, everyone. We had a wonderful night. Bye. Wonderful talking to you. See you guys next time. Thank you.
See you guys next time. If you guys heard it. Bye.
Know how to keep it cool.